In this video, I'll walk you through how to clear browsing history, cookies, cache files, and other saved browsing data in the newest version of Mozilla Firefox. This can help protect your privacy, solve website issues, remove stored site information, and improve overall browser performance. Start by opening Mozilla Firefox. In the upper right corner of the browser window, click the menu icon with the three horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings. Once you're inside the Firefox settings page, select Privacy and Security from the left-hand sidebar. This section contains Firefox's privacy controls, tracking protection settings, and browsing data management tools. First, locate the Cookies and Site Data area. Here, Firefox stores temporary website files, login sessions, and site preferences used to speed up browsing and remember website settings. To remove this stored data, click Clear Data. If you can't find the option or you want a faster and more professional method, there are two quick alternatives. You can use the search bar inside Firefox settings and type Clear or Clear Browsing Data. Firefox will instantly show the correct settings option, or anywhere in Firefox, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to get to the Clear Browsing Data and Cookies section. A small window will appear with a few options. If you want a full cleanup, deleting all your Firefox browsing history, cache, cookies, save forms, site settings, then select everything. Then click on the time range selector. Firefox allows you to customize that too. Choose everything here too. Browsing and download history removes records of visited websites and downloaded files. Cookies remove active website sessions and stored site information. Cache clears temporary internet files. Active logins sign you out of websites currently open in Firefox. Depending on your Firefox version, you may also see options for search history, autofill form data, offline website data, and website preferences. Once again, only do this if you don't mind resetting certain website settings, remove saved carts on shopping sites, and it's okay if a site requires you to log in again. Here's an additional privacy tip. Removing browsing data from Firefox only deletes information stored locally in the browser itself. Your activity may still exist inside online accounts, search engines, internet service providers, or websites you visited. Once you've selected the data you want to remove, click Clear. Firefox will immediately begin deleting the selected browsing information. If you haven't cleaned the browser in a long time, the process could take a little longer depending on how much data is stored. If Firefox Sync is connected to your Mozilla account, certain browsing data changes may also sync across your connected devices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more browser tutorials, privacy guides, and tech tips.